Solve how to fix Steam can't login issue. 1. Check your credentials. 2. Check Steam server status. 3. Login. From a web browser. 4. Clear Steam. Caches at /users /left bracket your username /appdata /local /Steam. 5. Test and improve your internet connection, if needed. 6. Check your firewall and antivirus. Ensure your security software allows Steam through its settings. 7. Disable background. Programs via WTM. 8. Update your network driver. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.